Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping, and it's day 5 of the 30 days of sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life. Today's sketch is brought to you by Gloria Montross, and this is what I'm using. It's going to be Christmas themed. I have a photo of my family at Christmas many moons ago. One embellishment, this is a We Are Memory Keepers tag, embossed tag. Some red rhinestones. These are cut apart, well not cut aparts, they are digital files by Knitwit Collections. I always get that name wrong. Anyway, I call them Knitwits for short. And I have quite a few of her collections that I have downloaded. So I grabbed a few from one of the collections, the name escapes me. I'll pop a link to it below, and printed them out, resized them and printed them out. So they are going to be my embellishments. I'll probably fussy cut these off screen because you don't want to sit and just watch me cut these out. It'll take forever. And the papers I have are from We Are Memory Keepers, I believe, upside down. And it's 2010, holy dooly, White Christmas, Dear Santa, it says. So one of those. Remember when these were all the fashion? These scalloped edge papers. It's from the same range. It's White Christmas is the range. Figgy Pudding is the paper. And then this is Winter Mittens by We Are Memory Keepers with a lovely yellow dot on the back. So they're the papers I'm using. I think I know how I'm going to make them work with the sketch. I won't be doing circles, but I will be using the corners of this one to represent those circles, if that makes sense. So we will see if it works out like I have it in my head or if I'll come up with something totally different. Alright, so I will come back with fast forward video and music as I create the layout. is the finished page. Somewhat represents the sketch, sort of. Oh dear. I was planning on cutting this up to have around the photo more of the circle look that's on the sketch. But then I thought it would look really disjointed, so I thought, well, no, I'm just going to represent the circles on the sketch by the scallops on the paper. And that's as close as it's going to get to having the 3 circles. But I do have the Merry Christmas embellishment, which in itself is a circle, so I guess that sort of works as well. Thankfully, sketches are open to interpretation and you can interpret it any way you like, and that is what I've done. I have put the ephemera all the way around the 2 sides here of the photo, and I have represented this, it's meant to be, I think, paper tearing along the 2 sides of the photo. Well, then my scallops there is going to represent that. I'm not 100% happy with this page. I don't like the busyness of the embellishments. But that's all I had to work with, so that's what it is. But I do have lots of place for journaling down here, and the lines are already there, a bonus. So that's today's page. Please watch the playlist listed below and see what everyone else is creating with these sketches and what their interpretation is. And if you've liked this, give it the thumbs up. Please subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, and hit that bell so you know when my next video comes out. Thank you for watching and have a scrap happy day. Bye.